Roofing news for April 22nd, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so that you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. And if you need more information from the news that I go over, the links will be down below to the videos and articles so that you can read or watch more about it. All right, let's start off. If you need PVC rolls, this video came up. They have a whole bunch. You might be able to contact them and get a good deal on PVC roofing rolls. Chad with roof coating, how to properly install pipe and protrusion flashings. He's on top of a big aluminum or steel commercial building, so you can get some tips and tricks from there. The College of Engineering at University of Wisconsin is offering a metal roofing systems course. I'll put the details down below, so if that's something you're into, metal roofing systems, you can take a look. Over the weekend, I did roofing software to grow your business, so you might check that out. Becca Switzer, awesome sales tips advice. She's with Roof Sales Mastery, which has over 7,000 subscribers. Tweak your routine to increase productivity and efficiency by altering your day. A lot of times you can do a lot better with your roofing sales. And if you do anything with Beacon Roofing Supply, which is right here, if you think they're really good, they are talking about their stock. So if you want to invest into a roofing company that I think is doing well, you take a look at that one. And a little geeky one, Industry News Daily has roofing systems market, all about it and what it will do by 2024. And it's a Monday morning, so you need a little laugh from the best damn roofer. How to make big bucks with your caulk. So take a look at that for a little laugh. And you must take a look at my video. The link will pop up here. Plus, it's right below this video. Why every roofer needs the roofing webmasters. It's 10 minutes, and it'll be some of the best 10 minutes for your roofing business life. Watch the video and then call me here or give me a text and see if we can help grow your roofing business. So that is the roofing news for April 22nd, 2019. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you will learn everything new in the industry in less than 5 minutes. Have a great Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.